दिसान गरमी वाढपाक लागल्या. तापमानात बदल जायत आसा. दिसाचे तापमान 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस ते 38 डिग्री सेल्सियस असता. रातच्या वेळार तापमान देंवून 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस ते 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस असता. लोकांनी खर वतान वचचें न्ही, तशेंच लोकांनी ह्या दिसांनी चड उदक पिवचें अशें आवाहन खात्यान कळीत केलां. कांय लोक गरमेच्या दिसांनी लिंबाचें सरबत, आयस्क्रीम, आडसाराचें उदक पिवपाक गर्दी करतना दिसून येतात.
IMD has issued the forecast a few days back that there will be 3 to 4 degrees Celsius higher than the normal. The temperature will be over North and South Goa districts, and you might have seen that temperature has risen appreciably normal over Goa, both the districts. Now today what forecast we have given, there will be 4 to 5 or it can go up to 6 degrees Celsius above normal over both the districts. So the range we are expecting is 35 to 38 degrees Celsius. So that is for the next 24 hours you can experience, and afterwards the temperature is going to fall. There won't be much rise, and there is nothing to worry. All the information that we have given in the back-based forecast also, there are nothing more precautions to be taken. So this is temperature will be rising for next 48 hours, and further there will be a fall.